Amen. Today we're gonna be teaching you how to restore your leather boots. So, what's up? It's your boy Ken from BroseFiles here with another how-to. I hope I'm able to help y'all out today because that's my goal in life, just helping other people out. Important note, y'all, this is for man-made leather boots, alright? Now, I don't know about real leather, it might work on that, use at your own discretion, alright? But I know for a fact that this works on man-made leather boots, okay? So, we're gonna be doing these on some Palladiums. What? Not Timbs? Yo, you're supposed to be wearing Timbs. I don't f with Timberlands. No. I don't like Timberlands pretty much because I'm a tall, lanky dude, alright? I got skinny legs over here. I do work out, man. Keep your mouth shut, alright? Bite that tongue. But it's just the fact that I can't rock them casually like most people. It's a little bit heavier, it's bulkier, you know? But if it was a construction boot, by all means. I personally just like Palladium because it's a little bit more flexible, it's a lightweight, it looks a little bit more like classy like that. But, man, I can take a look at this. Yeah.
Oh, okay, sure. Take your time.
Okay.
Have a day.
Yeah, you too. Take it. We're back, y'all. Anyways, man, just a little bit of a note, okay? We like to mess around. I don't go straight to the point for nothing. I mean, a lot of the times I will not do that because, you know, I like to talk around the bush. I like to beat that bush, if you know what I'm saying, okay? So for those of you who are like, oh man, when does the tutorial start? Yo, you never get to the point. Man, man, shut the f up, man. You guys keep on bitching. Honestly, I do this for the people who actually enjoy this entertainment, okay, man? Let's just take this to the backyard, man. Let's get it. Alright guys, first things first, we're gonna need the boots we gotta fix up. Now what we're gonna do is get some of this mink oil. This is what's gonna be bringing them back to life. This is money's worth and best quality premium mink oil. Alright, now I got this baby here from Walmart for this many halas. Before you guys start, you want to make sure that you give your boots a nice little scrub. Any dirt, mud, whatsoever, wipe that off, man, because if you're gonna be applying mink oil on it, it's not gonna be spread evenly. A cloth as well to apply and also wipe off the excess. Yeah, that's all it really is. Gonna time lapse this bitch and yeah, see how it is in the end, man. Alright guys, so after your boot is a little bit cleaned up, no more dirt, no more mud, all you want to do is get the mink oil. This actually comes with a little sponge. We'll be applying it with this over here, and then we'll be removing it with this over here when we have a little bit too much applied to it. Alright, careful with it. I don't know if it, yeah, it'll probably stain your clothes. But yeah, let's just get into it. Alright guys, so far, this is what I covered. You can see it looks pretty much brand new. I mean, there's a couple of creases where it hasn't been evened out properly, but I'm gonna go over it again. This is just the first coat that I'm doing, but I'm gonna put this one here aside to chill for a bit. While that's absorbing into the materials, I'm gonna be working on the other one over here. Alright, got the second one all glossed up over here, looking like someone's lip gloss popping and all that. But yeah, this one's a nice and super coated boot. We're gonna put this one aside, let that soak in, marinate, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna go back to the other one. I kind of applied a whole lot more onto this one compared to this, just because I realized that it was not really going into all the creases as fast as I wanted it to. So I'm gonna go back to this one here, add a little bit more to that, and then once that's a little bit more glossed up, then I'm gonna do the whole removal of excess mink oil. Don't forget to get those little threads on the edges of the material as well, hey? Want to make sure that everything is really nice and coated. It's hard as a down here, man. Look at that. I want to toss this one on a grill and feed it to the kids. Chicharron, you know what that is, man? While you guys are taking off the excess, you just want to make sure that you really try to make sure that you take off every little bit of excess mink oil on here, because the last thing you want to have is you rocking your boots next time and there's a bunch of oil just like seeping onto your pants, your socks, and then them shit's just wrecked. Do your best, take your time. You don't want to rush this kind of stuff, man, because in the end, this is for your this is for your rotation. You know what I'm saying? This is for your look, and if you rush this shit, you're gonna look rushed. Come back to this in a bit, get you the before and after, and yeah, man, we'll just check it out in a bit. So I let the boots cook here, marinate, soak in all that juicy goodness, and man, this honestly looks a lot better than I anticipated. Check this out, guys. These babies are a lot darker, a lot more chocolatier, glossier. Just look at that, man. Look at that. It's not faded as much. You can see there's a lot of places where, you know, there's a little bit of fading there, discoloration, but that can't that could probably be helped with another coating. I'm not too worried about that. Honestly, overall, this is looking nice, man. Kind of straight out the box, in my opinion. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button right down there. Let me know in the comments below as well. And if you just like the content because it's entertaining, let me know as well, man. And also like the video for that reason. Subscribe to see more stuff like this. We do a bunch of vlogs. We do a lot of skits. That's all I got today. It's your boy Ken, BroseFiles, and we're signing off. Okay, I think it's good. If you made it up to here, man, you're a real one, I swear. On God, on me, on you know, on everything. For real. For real, for real. For real, for real, for real. Seriously. Y'all should sub. Comment too. Bye.